So today at Nazaré Praia Norte, it's the biggest swell of the 2021-22 season. 5 stars, 30 foot waves coming in. I don't know, they're going to be massive. There's a lot of people around. It's looking really interesting. There's someone important down here, so let's see what's going on. Everyone's gathering. There's a lot up by the lighthouse. Going to check out the big waves. It's like a festival or something on a big wave day like this. Just cars, people come from everywhere. The police are trying to get people parked up, but it's just absolutely crazy. We've come for a big spectacle today. Getting closer to the lighthouse now, and look at all the people around here. It's just a wall of folks, and down there is a wall of water. There's some bombs dropping. It's massive. Let's hope there's some surfers out there. We can get to see some action. If only I had the big camera like some of these guys to get the beautiful shot which people take of the fortress below us and the waves coming in. Great up on the slope up there, some really good views down to the lighthouse, but I'm going to get a bit closer because the waves are massive and the sound of them is just awesome. I'm going to get as close as I can. I was thinking about going in the fort, but there's a big queue and all the important people up on the roof up there. Oh, nice car, Porsche, cops. But down here is where the action is, so let's take a look-see, shall we? Nazaré's become on a Friday morning. People all sides.
Police been here for over an hour. He said the queue is too big to get into the lighthouse. They only allow a certain number of people on the roof. Wow, look at the waves. You see the jet skis out there? It's all pretty cool. Out here, the kids, they were here the other day selling cookies. €2 a cookie. So cool, the waves crashing in. And there's the lighthouse in the distance. You can see the crowds. The amazing, iconic red farol lighthouse. Waves to the side. And lots more people than usual. Wow, and it's the first time I've seen people all the way up here as well. Look at the cameras. I mean, I'm shooting this with my Galaxy S8, so, you know, there aren't going to be many good zoom shots, and the GoPro without a zoom, but it's just still really cool to be here and to show you guys what we see. Oh, let's hope we see. Wow, oh my word, by the lighthouse, look at that wave. And the policemen there stopping people going down onto the bank, because normally people go underneath the rope and go all the way down to the cliff face, but there's a cop there today preventing that. So interesting.
going in the fort, get a look at the views from above. Only €1 to get in here, well worth it. Worth coming in this museum to check out the surfing exhibitions. Came in before for the 100-foot wave video, so check that out to see what's going on inside the museum. But now we're going to go up to the top because this is where the action is today. So this is the circus that is Big Wave Day at Nazaré. You can see how popular it is, the amount of people down there. Mandy's down the bottom. People all the way up there, the cliffs, all fighting to get that great view. Front half of the farol is blocked off for the VIPs, press, etc. And there's a few people here to see the big stuff. See if we can get closer. The monster waves are all happening right there just below the farol. So if you get somewhere there and amongst that queue of people, you're going to get a great spot. Got a bit of camera envy right now. Oh, that was a huge wipe out there. I hope they're okay. Surfers just rocked up. I think it must be lunchtime. Not sure who it is. Anybody know? Good wave there. Right on the top. And the surfers just come in. Looks a bit worse for wear. Battered by the waves. This is such a primo spot, but I'm just burning alive here in the sun. It's February sun, so I'm going to have to leave the fort and go back out and find Mandy. And these are what these waves look like when you're up close with a good camera. Really look at some epic photos in here. Well worth coming in, paying the €1 and checking out this fantastic museum. Let's go.
Mega. What do you think, Lee?
Been a fantastic day. Beautiful weather and just perfect for the waves. Loved it. ¿Sabes las surfistas? ¿Conoce quién es?
Ya consenta.
Ya consenta.
Puede ser.
Es portugués.
Portugués o brasileño.
Brasileiro. I see. Having one of those fan moments. There's a bit of an interview going on there with Constanta, I think it is, a Brazilian surfer. So much media.
Wow, just look at the spray. Here we have the bomberos. As you can see, it's now a Friday afternoon. It's lovely, it's like a festival or something. People just coming along to watch and enjoy the surfing. Because the waves don't seem to be letting up. It's almost 5 PM. And look at it, they're still going.
And the party atmosphere continues as the day goes on. The waves might be coming to an end while they're still surfing out there, but everyone's grabbing a cold beer and heading down the front, because this is the place to be. Perfect end to a Nazaré surf day would have been to have gone to this lovely sunset cafe at the top of the City stairs for a drink and watch the sunset. We've been meaning to do it for ages, but there's never any tables free, so it's that popular. So instead we're just going to go home and drink wine and celebrate a fantastic day.
And
by the way, it's a nice view. Like and subscribe.
look at it. I never ever get sick of this view.